Check the closet flange and extender kit for matching material and dimensions before attempting installation. Start by confirming the flange material is either acrylone nitrile butadiene styrene or polyvinyl chloride, because most extender kits are designed only for those plastics and will not bond properly to cast iron or brass. Measure the inner and outer diameters of the existing flange and the height from finished floor to the flange face. Write these numbers down and compare them to the extender kit specification, so you avoid mismatches in ring diameter or required screw locations. Inspect the flange for cracks, warping, or corrosion, and replace or repair any compromised sections, since an extender cannot restore structural integrity. If the flange is recessed below the finished floor by more than 3/4 of an inch cold short, you will need a stacked extender or a new flange that brings the flange face to the correct level. Do not rely on excessive caulk or gasket compression. When adhesive or solvent welding is required, use products specified by the extender manufacturer and follow proper surface preparation, which includes cleaning with a suitable solvent and sanding lightly to promote adhesion. Finally, test fit the extender and wax ring assembly dry before final fastening to confirm that the toilet will sit flat and that bolts align without forcing the pan. The three most common mistakes are using an extender that does not match flange material, which leads to poor bonding and eventual leakage, failing to measure depth and diameter accurately, which causes misaligned toilet bolts or a rocking toilet, and attempting to use an extender on a flange that is structurally compromised, which risks seal failure and flange breakage. For the first, replace the flange with a compatible plastic flange, or source an extender specifically made for the detected material, rather than forcing a chemical bond that will fail. For the second, always record measurements twice and perform a dry test assembly with the wax ring and toilet to verify alignment before permanent installation. For the third, remove and replace damaged flange sections or install a flange repair ring that mechanically secures to the drain pipe, rather than relying solely on adhesive extenders. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and community. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share real installation tips, photos, and kit recommendations so our members can make better compatibility decisions.